there's youths all over the republic. And today, the national youth leader, Mr. Fred Asira, has come to join his colleagues, youths from Kisii County, drawn from all over the 9 sub-counties, to chart the way forward. Because you understand, this party was formed on good doctrines which caters for the youth. 1992, when Jaramogi Oginga Odinga and others formed this party, there were young thugs in the party. That was wakina Gitau Manyara, wakina Raila Odinga, wakina Dr. Mukiza Gitui, and others. And this is a continuation. It's a continuation that our party cherishes the youth because they are the future of this nation. So they have come to discuss, and these are the supporters of the newly elected leaders. After Wetangula was ousted from the party, we elected Honorable Athanasi Wafula Wamunyinyi and Dr. Simiyu Eseli, Jocelyn Maungu to continue leading this party until the National Conference Council decides on other new issues. So they have come in solidarity with the new group, and you can see since that first things have changed. The party is coming up, and the youths have woken up, particularly in the Kisii region. So we are very happy. It is their day. They have what to say. So we welcome Mr. Asira to Kisii, and feel free with your fellow youths.